put it in right. Spark plugs. Those up. Spark plugs are fine. Those plugs don't hold it actually. Should come off. What do these 5 do then? I don't know. Just grab it, pick it right up, I can put it on the bench. Right there. Yeah. See it? Yeah. Leaking oil right here. That gasket blowing right there. See how much different that piston?
It's awesome.
Can you spin the crank over? I can't. All right, hang on. Let me get over here. See how the gasket's blown out here? Yeah, look, it's rusty. And then that side of that piston is cleaner. So we had a blown head gasket for sure. 2 of them. Yeah. That makes me feel much better. On here. Not great that we got this car with a blown head gasket. Flip. Let's pull this back. Yep. Let's
You want to give me a rag?
Put a whole bunch of rags right in the damn thing. Just like that. All over. Up on the edge. Yep. I don't see any bent valves or anything that strikes me as terrible here. It's good news. It's all good news. So you can clearly see we had a head gasket issue right here. Right here. See what's wobbled? Definitely one coming from there. But the valves look fused. Got 180,000 miles on this engine. Nothing's bent, no impact marks from when the timing belt broke when we had it here in the shop. Of course, that was culprit of all the overheating.
Yeah, probably.
100%.
That and a few coolant leaks.
Yeah, the coolant leaks only matter when it, that's why it was consuming coolant and not leaking it out. So we'll clean this engine all up and put a new water pump on it, oil pump, gasket kit. We'll take that out, check that all out too. Pan, we'll wash this whole thing up, put new gaskets everywhere. Said it didn't, we did have a head gasket. We got $35 Amazon special gasket kit. The fun thing is going to be timing this all back up with a timing belt, the distributor, because somebody took the distributor out, didn't mark where it was on the head.
Someone had to go by clues.
Yeah. And trying to find out where the rest of all of this stuff goes. So, this was the easy part. So we're getting ready to take the valves out of this, and I just wanted to point, I got a new valve spring compressor. I've never owned one, and today I do. I just want to take a moment. If you're going to do a project like this in northern Michigan, or the northern hemisphere, northern part of the U.S., Michigan works, get a heater. This little heater is doing its job, but it's kind of cold out here. What you need to do is find a friend who's got one of these. And the kids out getting a propane tank for it right now. But these are great. And if your friend's got one of them, you can borrow one from them for about 2.5, 3 years. So you don't have to return it. And you're all center. A little tap-tap-a-roo with it.
Oh, yeah.
It's not the $24 Amazon specials, not the best. We want to be centered here.
Is that it? I got off center again.
Okay.
Oh, I got back.
See, and then you get tight before you bottom the spring out. So then don't do that. That's good. As soon as the keepers come loose.
Can't see your hands there. This doesn't help me in my whiskies.
You don't want to flip this and have this wrong. The spring, see that? What?
That's
So the
okay.
springs don't. Did that slide out or did it stick on its way out?
Well, it's set up.
The first one stuck a little bit. This one's a little oilier. See how much carbon's down here? Let's see the bottom side looks like. Yeah, they're so tiny. In this video, I intended on making the whole engine project one video, but realized that this has taken me several months. Some stuff has come up, so I'm going to cut it into two. So thank you for watching that. As you can see, we're a little farther ahead than how the video ends, but I got a whole garage to clean. I got a toolbox, a car that's a mess. There's a car with just all over it. It sat most of the winter and didn't get near as done as I wanted it to. So snowmobile season kicks in, and that's one thing I do, and I don't do anything other than that. So, but thank you for watching, subscribing, and all that stuff. Hit the bell, all that. Comments. I'm gonna try to fix that. Hopefully by the time this one comes out, I've got the comments fixed. So thanks for watching.